Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C310 working on a MacBook. It's super simple. As long as you have the app working here with your camera, you see that I have my iPhone with the Tapo app. I see the Tapo C310 here. If you don't have it working yet on your cell phone, just come here to the App Store, look for Tapo, download the app, install it, and just create your account, and you can just log in, and then you have it working. I have mine here, right? And then you can do the same on the MacBook. Just come here to the App Store, look for Tapo, download it, and you can just open it up and log in with your credentials, the same one that you're using on your phone. So here, see that I have every single Tapo camera, including the Tapo C310. I just double click and I see the camera live, and I can control from here the same way I do on my computer. See that I can do manual recording. I can talk to somebody close to the camera and take a screenshot, whatever I want to do here. And I can even come here and have more than one camera working at the same time. All right, so super simple. That's basically the way that you can have your Tapo C310 working here on your MacBook. Okay, I hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Also give the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.